In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the Apache MHL moving average on my Pacosta account for months. And zounds, it averaged its way to plus 10,489.00% gains with the panache of a parodic momentum maverick. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the EA that mills moving averages without the mishaps. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this Apache MHL, moving average virtuoso of velocity. The zip folder for the Apache MHL. Moving average disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the EX4 file, set file, and installation instructions in seconds. I ferried the EX4 to MT4's Experts Enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the Apache MHL moving average to XAUUSD's M5 proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse my FX book, as one might a scandal sheet, and there the Apache MHL moving average parades its plus 10,489.00% absolute gain escapade on Pacosta, ballooning a mere $50 deposit into $5,294.50 balance, with $5,244.50 profit after no withdrawals. Daily 1.22% chuckles, monthly 43.92% guffaws, equity curve a bemused descent lampooning manual traders' flatlines with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at high level, meaning trades winners, and comfortably above the 60% benchmark for moving average bots that ride momentum waves. Average win? A juicy pips per pop, while losses are reined in thanks to the Apache MHL. Moving averages built in advanced multi-timeframe strategy, RSI momentum filter for accurate entries, martingale grid recovery for loss management, and fully automated system that keep drawdowns tame. Get this, net pips in the thousands. That's the kind of edge that compounds reliably on XAUUSD without overtrading or reckless entries. Drawdowns only 18.14% absolute, so even in choppy sessions, equity barely blinked. Risk of ruin negligible. Profit factor healthy and covers everything nicely. For every dollar risked, you're steadily pulling in more. Commissions? Minimal impact on my broker, and the expectancy per trade is positive enough to handle them easy. Hold times reasonable for M5 entries. This month's analytics? Another clean bar showing steady profit with the graph barely dipping. It's not flashy fireworks, but it's thriving quietly, giving me peace of mind and time to enjoy life instead of glued to charts. If you're after a bot that delivers low-stress, consistent monthly gains on the yellow metal, this Apache MHL moving average is the real deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the Apache MHL moving average on MT4 with ticks from recent data and solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000. Total net profit $1,327.01. Gross profits $10,707, edging out losses for that clean edge. Trades balanced, win rate strong overall. Average trade positive with max drawdown very low. Steady performance, no drama. Perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the Apache MHL moving average has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting Apache MHL moving average strategies. Links right there too. All right, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.